is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you. And I truly love to talk about your lovers, oh, and you never spare me details as you confide in me. I smile and give advice, but cannot tell you how I feel. How easy it would be to fall for you, but that of course is something I won't do. 'Cause we've agreed between you and me, we're nothing more than friends. How silly it would be to put this friendship to an end. How crazy that would be, yet here I am, falling in love again.
잘 먹겠습니다.
빵이 된 지금 일어나가지고. 어머니 먹어. 팬케이크가 수플레인데 훅 꺼졌어.
이 팬케이크 위에 버터 맛있겠다.
크로아상 생지야. 얘지?
소리 봐봐.
팬케이크 잘라야
영훈이가 가위로, 아니 가위래, 포크로.
맛있다.
How stupid I would be to still have faith, to never stop believing that one day, when time is right and stars align, our views would coincide. We'll see the world in color, though they say that love is blind. How stupid that would be, indeed, that's true. And still I'm waiting for you. I am forever waiting for you. rather be than right here next to you. And I truly love to talk about your lovers, old and new. You never spare me details as you confide in me. I smile and give advice, but cannot tell you how I feel. How easy it would be to fall for you, but that of course is something I won't do. 'Cause we've agreed between you and me, we're nothing more than friends. How silly it would be to put this friendship to an end. How crazy that would be, yet here I am, falling in love again. How stupid I would be to still have faith, to never stop believing that one day, when time is right and stars align, our views would coincide. We'll see the world in color, though they say that love is blind. How stupid that would be, indeed, that's true. And still I'm
잘 먹겠습니다.
웃음 터졌어요.
너무 재밌다. 엄마 너무 재밌어.
Sister, do you think my fashion sense is amazing?
Thumbs up.
아니다.
김치 파스타로.
김치 파스타야.
김치 파스타예요?
어떤가 먹어봐봐. 엄마도 처음에 이거는.
맛있을 것 같아. 이건 뭐야?
엄마 스프라이트.